Welcome to your Versant online account, built to make managing your services simple. To begin, go to www.myaccount.versantpower.com. If you already have an online services account, sign in using your existing email and password. We'll then send you an email to reset your password. If you're a new user, click the Not Registered for My Accounts Sign Up Now button. Fill out a few basic details to create your account, and we'll send you an email to finish setting up your account. After signing up, just log in anytime to www.myaccount.versantpower.com to access your online account. Your new online account experience puts everything in one place. You can use the I Want To drop-down menu, you can click to an individual window, or you can navigate the left-hand menu. You can check your power usage. You can pay bills. And you can request services. Want to make bill pay effortless? You can set up autopay and have your bill paid automatically each month. You can also submit forms or upload documents, all online, anytime. That's it, your Versant Power online account. It makes it easy to stay connected and in control. Questions? Just contact us.